Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make gradient color text in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document with some text. Now I change this gradient color text. At first I have to select some text. Then you can see here are gradient option. Now I select this fill color and click on apply a gradient option. Now double click on it. Now I change this preset gradient color. Now I select my first top and go to fill color option. Now I select my color. Then go to middle stop and again go to fill color option. Now I choose this color. Again third stop and go to fill color. Now I change my last color. Then press OK. Now close this gradient window. Now you can see I make gradient color text in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.